Welcome to the Small Scale Homestead. My name is Teresa Sanderson, and this is my husband,
Greg Sanderson.
and we are on a journey towards sustainable living. We have a 5-acre homestead here in Northeast Kansas, and you know, with everything that's going on in the world, we just really feel called to have a more sustainable lifestyle. And so we've added some things to our little homestead this year, including, you want to kind of go over that?
A little bit of everything. Pigs, goats, multiple kinds of chickens, quail, pheasants are coming soon.
Yep.
But you can do this on a very small scale. It doesn't have to be, you don't have to have acres and acres and acres.
Yep.
So.
And I think one of the things that's important is first of all, if you don't have a lot of land, you could be a homesteader. The second thing is, you don't have to necessarily have a lot of money, right, Greg?
It helps.
It helps, but you know what? If you're not a millionaire, if you don't have, $200,000 or $300,000 in the bank, you can also homestead. And so we're going to show you a lot of budget neutral and even zero cost or very low cost ideas, tips, and tricks on how to build your animal shelters, take care of yourselves, and all kinds of things, cool little additions that you can make to your homestead, and where you can find things to do these projects the way that we like to do them, because we love living out of our back pocket and not going into debt for anything. So welcome.
Welcome.
Hope you enjoy our page. Give us a like, a follow, and a share. Thanks so much.
All right. Bye-bye.